Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, it is a clear night, a quiet night, a chilly night across North Alabama. This is what we've got right now over the city of Huntsville on the Way 31 Storm Tracker, Way 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam Network. We'll show you the radar in just a second. We're at 41 degrees. That's a clear sky, wind out of the east at 8 miles per hour. And I wanted to give you a little bit of perspective as we talk about more rain in the forecast and also where our temperatures are going to be. I usually don't show you the almanac. There's a lot of data here, but it's worth showing on a day like today. We hit 60 degrees this afternoon. We hit 25 degrees this morning. The average for this time of year, 54. The average low is 34. We're going to be really close to that tomorrow morning. We're going to be back above average for our high. Most importantly, though, look at this. We're closing out the month of January now. For the month, we've seen nearly 6 inches of rain for average. We're closer to 5 inches, so we're about an inch above average. And now we're getting ready to start the month of February, and we do have more rain back in our forecast. Here's the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. That's a quiet picture. No rain in sight currently, but let me show you this wider view one more time, and I want you to look at this swath of blue here extending from Texas up into the plains, over into Colorado, and then all the way up into the Great Lakes into New York State. That's a winter storm watch. Everything highlighted in pink, that's a winter storm warning. We are talking inches and inches of snow and also that potential for damaging ice in this area. Notice that we're not included in that, and we really don't expect much in the way of winter weather in our area, just a lot of rain. So for tomorrow, soak it up while you can. Temperatures starting in the mid-30s, and as we get into the afternoon, our highs are in the lower 60s. Lots of sunshine, but clouds start building in later in the day. Watch what happens here as we go through the rest of your Tuesday. There's 7 o'clock in the morning all the way into the afternoon. Here comes the cloud cover little bit by little bit from the west out toward the east. We'll wake up to a mostly cloudy sky east of I-65 on Wednesday, showers out to the west. We will all see rain on Wednesday, showers off and on, but especially along and west of 65. It's a little bit drier closer to Sand Mountain. There's noon, now all the way into Wednesday evening. There's 5 o'clock, looking at a wet evening commute, and all of us will see a round of rain coming in Wednesday evening into the first part of Wednesday night. Once that shifts farther towards the northeast, we catch a little bit of a break, but Thursday morning we are waking up to another round of heavy rain, and that's what's going to stick with us through the day. All in all, with most of that rain focused initially farther toward the west, that's where higher rainfall totals are going to be, 3 to 4 inches. That's also going to be that risk for maybe some flash flooding. We'll have to monitor that for you, 2 to 3 inches farther towards the east. And as we go through Thursday, now picking back up where we left off, this band of heavy rain is just ahead of the cold front that's going to be moving through. We can see a brief change over here to a little bit of wintry mix by midnight, but we're not expecting any impact from that. Temperature is just a little too warm. We're talking mid-30s early Friday morning. By the afternoon, highs are only in the lower 40s, so that's quite a bit of a drop after 63 on Thursday, staying cold through the weekend. We'll be right back.